Okay, this assignment is number 2, Painting NightHawks by Edward Hopper. So you will find it again in the Unit 1 Culture folder, week 3, and we're still talking about how we see the world through someone else's eyes. So again, paintings and photography and videos. So the first one is you have to look at the actual painting, and it is this link. And it looks like this. So this is the painting that I want you to look at. Then the actual assignment is the puzzle piece. And the question is, tell the story as you see it when looking at this painting. What's going on? Who are the people? Why are they there? What effect does light and dark have on your story? And does time period seem to matter? What do you think the time period is? When you look at this photo, what can you tell about the culture in which it was taken? And again, it's a painting, sorry, not a photo. So you're just typing up your thoughts of what you think is going on in the picture. Don't Google anything. If you have any questions, make sure you ask.